Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage Homesteading, the small space homesteading channel. And today I want to show you a recipe I've been making for many years now, and I can't believe I haven't even shown you yet. It's a relaxed sleep roller. I've got this 10ml amber roller bottle and I'm removing the roller out of the top with this tool. It comes with the roller bottles when you buy them. Place the small funnel in. I really like hemp oil for this recipe because it soothes the skin. However, use whichever oil you prefer. You can use apricot, almond, avocado, even olive oil will be okay if you haven't got anything lighter. Pour it in so you've got 3/4 of the bottle full of your carrier oil. Just go slowly so it doesn't overflow. I use 30 drops of pure essential lavender oil, but you can use 15 or 20 if you prefer to use less. But I really think 30 works well in this because I want it nice and strong so I get a good night's sleep. And always use pure essential oils. Don't use fragrant oils because they just don't have the healing benefits. And then add in 10 drops of the frankincense pure essential oil. Both the frankincense and the lavender pure essential oils are safe to use topically for all ages. Of course, if you have a reaction or if whoever is using it has a reaction, then discontinue using it. I've never had anyone have an issue with it though. I've got enough space left at the top to place my roller in, which just pops down like that into place. And there's still a little bit of a gap so that we can shake it up nicely. And I usually shake it before every use as well, just to make sure those oils are really mixed in quite well when you want to use it. To apply the oil, you can choose where you want to use it, whether you want to use it under your nose so you can just really breathe in the aromas of the oils, or if you want to place it on your temple. I like to place it on the back of my neck, up and down the spine like that, and I find that really works for me. You can also use it on your wrist and also on the bottom of your feet, although I would make a separate bottle for my feet, so I wasn't using the roller on my face and my feet because that's just not nice. This lavender frankincense oil is also good to carry around with you in your handbag if you need to relax. If you're in a stressful situation, like you're flying and you don't like flying, or I don't know, whatever's stressful for you in a stressful situation, I guess. I don't know what are people doing that gets them stressed. And as always, the use by date will be when the first oil expires. So always make sure your oils have a long life when you're using them, especially your carrier oil, because if that starts to smell, you know it's gone rancid and you don't want to use it after that. And then you're wasting your essential oils because you have to throw it out when it's not finished. Obviously, getting good sleep is a holistic approach. You need to look at all aspects of your life. And I hope this can contribute to part of your holistic approach to getting a good night's sleep. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.